Okay, let me see if I can do this with one audio take on day 14. Coming out of the farmhouse and heading over to where the work is going on, and the operator there has decided to use the slate kind of rocks that we have for some of it, some of the wall, since he can't get the nice rocks yet, so he'll do that later. Meanwhile, he's building up this corner area with what he has, sort of the junk rocks that he has. He said that one rock right there. I don't have a yeah the that huge one there. He said that's probably over 10 tons. That one rock. So even though it's slate, it's not going anywhere. It's not going to break up very easily. Okay, so he is up there. There he's coming down actually, but when I got there today, he walked up here and showed me something he found yesterday, and that poses a problem, a new problem, and that is he saw that it was really wet, so he dug a hole and found water, which is a huge problem because everything down below this area is soggy, and even his dumper was sinking a little bit, and he said that's going to be always true. And we've always had a leak in the old, where the old parking lot was. There was always running water. So apparently it was that right there, a spring or something. So he said really the only thing they can do is to trench that down, sort of angle it slowly towards the creek on the right. But using those bunch of rocks that he's taken up there today that weren't there yesterday, he's been hauling them up there because he's going to make a trench, and I guess he's going to line it with those rocks. And that'll, that so that right here we won't have the leak. We always had a water leak. In fact, in the winter when it was icy, it was dangerous because it would just enough water on the surface to get, to freeze and be slippery. He's doing wonders with these junk rocks that aren't made for what he's doing, or not cut out like that. So let's see here. I always have to be very careful when I turn around because I don't know how far I am from the trees. And if I touch a tree branch, I would crash. So there he is, messing around with those rocks in that corner. And so then I think I go up again one more time. Came later, and there was a larger bunch of rocks there, and that right there is where that trench will go, although I think it'll veer off to the right and go to the one that goes down under the trees there, I think. At any rate, tomorrow's a holiday, and he's not sure he'll come or not. It's his son's birthday, so actually Mimi made a banana bread for him, and we gave it to him for them to celebrate tonight. They're going to have a big meal tonight, so he may end up coming tomorrow or Saturday and just keep working. The rocks from the quarry aren't going to come until next week, apparently. Look at the size of that dog compared to the kids. Massive. Okay. Well, the dog is inspecting his work there. And this last word is going to be a happy birthday in Basque for Jaime's son, Iñaki. Okay. Till next time, take care.